The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is a high-performing mid-ranger that runs on MIUI 11 out of the box, which is based on Android 10. Among the many features of MIUI 11 that help in improving productivity, something that's highly useful is the ability to use split screen. Not many know how to enable split screen on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. It's not that hard either. Let us show you how. To enable split screen, pull up the multitasking view, one where you can see all the apps that you have opened. Now long press on the app you want to use in split screen. You will see three options. Select the second one, which shows two small boxes. You will now see the split screen in half. Choose the second app from the multitasking list below and you are good to go. You can use split screen to browse two apps at the same time and copy data from one app to another. And there are some more useful features as well. You can also use the split screen mode in landscape mode, which is even better when you're trying to type or read something side by side. However, note that not all apps support split screen, but most of the popular ones do. So that was a quick tutorial on how to enable split screen on the Note 9 Pro Max. Hope it helped you guys. Thanks for watching.